Hey, so as we are learning, there is a lot more to getting fitter and faster than just training as hard as we can, going really hard in one training cycle. We really want to zoom out and look at our whole year and how each training cycle is kind of teaching us something, giving our body something new and different and new stimulus to grow from. Off season is giving us the tools to go harder in our next training cycle. And I'm so excited for the spring training cycle already because I know that one of the biggest mistakes that I see runners make is they'll DM me a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks before their race, and they'll be like, I don't think I'm eating enough, or I don't think I'm fueling my long runs correctly, or I keep having GI issues during my long run. What do I do? And when our long run or our race is just a week or two or three away, it is really tricky to make all the changes that we need to make to support that runner for their race day. So, one of the best things that you can do is be thinking ahead to what is going to happen in the spring, what goals you want to achieve, how you want this next training cycle to go. And if you know this next training cycle, this spring training cycle for your spring race, if you know you want to run faster, you want to run longer, you want to run more consistently, you want to run without injury, that starts with what you're doing today. Making sure you're eating enough food, making sure that you are eating foods that support healthy hormones, that support anabolic behaviors, building muscle, recovering from workouts, that support ample fueling, adequate fueling to make sure that you are not in low energy availability during off season or during your next training cycle. We have spent the last 3 training sessions discussing how we can make sure to support a healthier metabolism, healthy hormones, a healthier you during off season. But now it's time to start thinking about how we're going to take your fueling plan and make sure we're supporting your spring race goals. If you are interested in working together for 8 weeks starting January 26th into that spring racing season, all about how to make sure you are eating enough fuel to meet your needs during training, how to make sure that you are getting the right breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks that are going to support having more energy to show up to workouts without feeling like you're going to burn out, bonk, or get injured. Making sure you understand how to fuel your long runs with the right pre, intra, and post run nutrition and hydration to reduce feeling fatigued, cramping, hitting the wall, or having GI issues. All of this is discussed in detail in your supportive 8 week program with me, Eat Like an Athlete Bootcamp live cohort. If you join before January 1st, you save like $300 to enroll. So I highly recommend using the coupon code presale 300 if you want to sign up using the payment plan and getting $300 off during the 3 month payment plan. You would use the code presale 300 PP, and that will save you $300 before January 1st, which means you are going to get 8 weeks of messenger support, guidance from me, 5 live calls, a community of women who are on this journey with you, supporting you, cheering you on for less than $400, which is pretty amazing. So, I hopefully will see you inside Eat Like an Athlete Bootcamp. If you have any questions, simply send me a DM at Runner Girl Dietitian or reply to this email. I'll talk to you soon.